Here we have a set of Sambilas. Need to be sharpened and cleaned up and restored. Last time I did these was 2 years ago. These have held their edge quite nicely. So here's the situation where this stylist does a lot of point cutting and it's wore out just at the very tip. So this is a situation where the top of the shear right up in here was overused, and it was, instead of being flat, it was tilted over at the top. So all of this was nice and straight and in line with the cutting plane, but this part here had been overused and the cutting plane now had been, so we had to do work a little longer at restoring that inside ride line to make sure that it's right in line with the cutting plane. So the first few cuts are to cut off the micro burr that could still be left behind. Typically do 3 cuts. Now check for the tip. Bit of a burr left on the outside, so we now deal with the burr on the outside because it can turn around and scratch the clients. Sometimes there's a burr on the inside too. There we go. Now oil and get the final tension set. Now we do the wet test. I'm going to check for the tip to make sure that it's properly closing all the way and not pulling anything. And just clean up the surface, polish it up. This is really just cosmetic. Remove the fingerprints and that type of stuff.